For many years, I worked as an environmental educator. I studied nature study. I worked in sciences, and I learned a great deal about forest and plants and environmental systems. And it always amazed me that forest grew in such a way as to create an environment for each other, an environment where they could be safe and where they could grow as a community. And all the trees in the forest communicate with each other through their roots. They're all connected. And it's fungi and chemicals and such which connect them, and they do communicate. And they do nurture and support each other and allow the forest to stand strong as a community. It occurs to me that humanity can do that too, and that there's a need for humanity to strive to be one community, a need for us to understand that we are all connected just as the roots of the forest connect every tree. We as humanity are connected through our roots, through our social structures. And we are dependent on each other, all of us. It is a simple lesson and a simple truth that we seem clearly resistant to learning. It is time for us to choose to grow together and become all we can be as one people, one community, one mind. And that doesn't take away from your individuality. We are more because of the creative genius that exists within our communities. But we need to work together. Thank you for allowing me to share.